What's up, guys? Welcome to Grind Time Garage. I'm Kenny, and today we're going to be changing a thermostat on a Ford Taurus or a Mercury Sable or any other Ford junk. But to get started, we're going to have to pull this radiator hose off here, and then this thermostat housing has 3 bolts in it to get to it. And then once we get it off, we'll get it cleaned out, get the new thermostat in, and then we'll slap it back together and we'll see how it runs. So first off, there's a clamp on this hose here we need to get loose so we can get the hose off. So I'm going to use a pair of channel locks to try to get to it here. She's twisting on me. You know, they make pliers for this. One day I'll buy a set.
Yeah, we'll just recover it.
So we'll just slide it back like that. And now you gotta twist the hose because it's stuck on there good. Alright, here we go. See how much we lose.
It puked.
Probably should use a drain pan for that. Oh, I washed your transmission. So now we take a 10 millimeter socket and ratchet, and there's 3 bolts. You got 2 on the top here, and then there's 1 in the bottom. We'll go ahead and break those loose. Of course, there's wires and cables in the way. Oh, I see what the problem is. It's circled right there on the intake. It says Ford. On the last bolt here, guys, once we get it out, we might have to use something and bump it to get it to break loose where it's sealed on there. Let's see. Oh. There's the owner.
Oh, sorry.
So now we have to clean all this gasket off so we'll get a good seal and everything when we put the new one in.
It's open.
Yeah. It's stuck open.
It's cocked sideways too. See, it's open on one side, not the other, and it's cocked.
And it's not hot enough to be open.
No. That's shot.
So now we got to get all this gasket right here cleaned off around this, and then get this one cleaned off, and then we'll put the new thermostat in.
You can use this method or a wire brush, but we're in a hurry, so. But he'll probably go over it with.
So I have a drill and a wire brush. I'm going to use this to clean up the surface, and then we'll get it together once we get it cleaned up. course, now that we have it all cleaned up, you want to take a look at her here. It's all pretty and shiny. I'll move this wire out of the way so we can get to it better. So now we got some gasket sealer made specifically for thermostats. And we have the gasket. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a nice little thin coat of this on first. And we're going to put the gasket on it. And another nice little thin coat. And we're going to put the thermostat inside the spout. It has a little groove that it sits in. And then we'll just bolt it back down and torque it down.
So it don't mess up the oxygen sensor.
Right. You want to make sure you got a good even coat. Now we're going to place the gasket on it and line it up. Make sure your bolt holes are lined up. Like so.
Move that.
Move like this. See, we make sure we got our holes lined up. So now we put more sealer on the spout or the neck, whatever you want to call it.
It's our handy dandy assistant today.
Yep. Alright, so now we got a good coat on that. We gotta put the thermostat in. It should be this way, right?
Yeah, no, the other way.
Out.
Yep. That goes in the motor.
Yeah. Well, it's good to have backup.
Oh.
There we go. So now
You gotta turn it, it's not all the way in. Turn it. You gotta turn it till that gives over here someplace and it'll drop in. Little notch right there.
made. So now you want to make sure you got it all lined up and stand together. And then you want to get your bolts started in there.
She's going.
Yeah. And the last one on the bottom. So now we just torque them down, and then we'll get it good and tight. I'd say they're supposed to be torque settings, but I don't know about those.
Can't be very much. 12 pounds probably.
Yeah. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna put this harness back that I undone to get to it, and then we'll put the hose back on it, and then we'll top off the coolant and make sure we're good, and then we'll try it out.
And it's always important to remember, if you remove things like that, exactly where you took it off of.
Yeah, that one's broke.
Yeah.
Handy dandy channel locks. Should turn that thing while I got it. We can get to it better. Alrighty, now we can top off the coolant and then we'll go from there. So our next job is going to be this squeaking pulley right here, this idler pulley. Hear it squeaking? That'll be the next job. Well, that sure does it. Now you know how to change the thermostat. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, because I need more followers, more subscribers, please. And stay tuned, turn on the post notifications so you can never miss a video. Bye. Brain fart.
We need the long. Wait, we need the far away lens, because if this is gonna blow up, I don't want to film.
It's gonna blow up now.